Welcome to Podcast Name, where we uncover the stories behind the tech we use every day. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub. Yes, that powerhouse platform that not only houses millions of lines of code, but also drives collaboration and innovation in the tech community. So let's lace up our sneakers and jog into this. Now, I know what you might be thinking. GitHub is just a place for developers to store their code, right? Well, not quite. GitHub is so much more than that. It's like a bustling city for developers, where each repository is a building filled with intricate ideas and projects. And within that city, you find some really interesting features that help make coding and collaboration super smooth. For instance, let's talk about GitHub Actions. Imagine you have a magical assistant who automatically takes care of all your repetitive tasks for you. That's basically what Actions do. They help automate workflows, which means you can focus more on the fun, creative parts of coding instead of getting stuck in a loop of manual tasks. And what about GitHub Copilot? This AI-powered assistant acts like a super smart buddy sitting next to you, suggesting code as you type. Picture it. You're typing out a function, and bam, Copilot pops up with suggestions that might just save you tons of time. It's almost like having a co-pilot flying alongside you, navigating through the coding skies. But hold on, there's more. GitHub also has this amazing feature called discussions. It's like sitting around a virtual table and brainstorming ideas, chatting about problems, or even just sharing stories about code. It really brings a sense of community where developers can connect, share, and grow together. It's like a social network, but built on the foundation of collaboration and mutual learning. Now you might be asking, how does GitHub keep everything secure? Well, that's where security features come into play. Think of it as GitHub's security team, working round the clock to find and fix vulnerabilities in your code. Kind of like having a security guard ensuring everything is safe in our coding city. So why should you care about GitHub, whether you're a seasoned developer or someone just starting out? Well, it's all about collaboration, innovation, and progress. GitHub embodies these principles, allowing everyone to contribute their unique perspective. Just imagine, every time you push code, you're part of a global movement, contributing to something much bigger than yourself. Before we wrap things up, let's reflect for a moment. How do you think platforms like GitHub have changed the landscape of software development? It's amazing to think about how collaboration and sharing have not only accelerated the development cycle, but have also enabled innovation across all sectors. So as we close, remember this. Whether you're automating your workflows with actions or collaborating over discussions, GitHub is a vital tool that empowers developers around the world. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and let's shape the future of technology together. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. If you enjoyed this episode or found it informative, don't forget to share it with your fellow developers and tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep creating and keep collaborating.